Guys, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. This might be uploaded to TikTok too, but basically in this video we're going to be talking about Boeing, which is technically called the Boeing Company, and its headquarters is in Crystal City, Virginia, and actually it was formerly in it started in like 1916 on this Wikipedia page, and for 1916 to 1917 it was named Pacific Aero Products Company, and from 1970 to 1961 Boeing Airplane Company it was called. The company type is public on NYSE and S&P and all that. Its industry is obviously aerospace. It was founded July 15th, 1960, 109 years ago in Seattle. The founder is William E. Boeing. It's actually going downhill a lot recently. Actually, did you know Airbus A320s, I think one of them nosedived. Isn't yeah, one of them nosedived and then went straight and normal. So 6,000 of those got put in on like retirement, but most of them got pulled out, and they obviously need like software repairs and all that. Most of them just needed updates though. But for 2024, the numbers of employees, so 172,000. Total equity for 2024 is 3.9 billion. Total assets for 2024 is 156.4 billion. Net income 11.8 billion for 2024. Operation income for 2024 was 10.7. Revenue for US dollars is 66.5 billion in 2024, and in production output in 2024, 348 commercial aircraft, 110 military aircraft, and 2 satellites. It did have a sea launch with Russian, Ukrainian, and Anglo-Norwegian organizations, and there was a labor strike, multiple. One on September 12th, 2024, October 12th, 2024, and November 1st, 2024. But obviously, there's multiple crashes of them, like Alaska Airlines Flight 1282. That plane crashed. Well, it wasn't really a crash. The door flew off. On the 737 MAX, that was the one where the door flew off. But it's still, I think it's still a profitable company. Like right now, well, that income loss. So obviously in 2019, 2020, 2021, that was all the COVID era. So it obviously was going to have a net loss. But in 2022, 2023, 2024, in just 2022, 5.1 that's billion. In 2023, 2.2 billion, and in 2024, 11.8 billion of that. Now, obviously, there's like, Pennsylvania, my state, 4,000 employees of it, in December 31st, 2023. So, yeah. But, that's gonna be the end of this YouTube video, and bye.